imamo 11. put za redom manifestaciju Moje, tvoje, naše. Ovaj put se bavi temom nadzora, svaki put je druga tema. Ovaj put smo izabrali temu nadzora koja nam se čini vrlo aktualna u današnjem svijetu, zbog toga što su naši životi izloženi na neki način observaciji raznih ljudi, službi i tako dalje, bez našeg pristanka i znanja. I u središtu te manifestacije je ova izložba Dark Chamber, mračna komora, koja se zapravo bavi na neki način raznim fenomenima iz svijeta tajnih službi, internet, nadzora na internetu koje se zbiva, curenja podataka i znači uopće šta se zbiva, kako bi rekao, na neki način to je umjetnički refleks, umjetnička reakcija na znači ova zbivanja koja sam ranije spomenuo. Osim toga na programu je i diskurzivni program, 5 predavanja koje se bave istom tom temom, od fizičke infrastrukture interneta pa do britanske tajne službe MI5. Znači to su, kako bi rekao, dolaze nam ljudi koji su i filozofi, bivši špijuni, umjetnici, a koji su svi na neki način uronjeni u ovu temu. Ono što je možda najvažnija poruka cijele ove manifestacije je ono što je Eni Mašon sažela, rekavši da otpor nije uzaludan. Znači da postoje prostori i mjesta u kojima se može iskazati neki otpor ovim procesima koje nam se ponekad čine da naprosto da nemamo šta učiniti protiv njih.
The Black Chamber is an attempt at showing the work of some artists that are working with live phenomena, specifically related to the flow of information through the networks and how this information is actually building new structures of power, is building new types of surveillance based on data, both citizen data, consumer data, organization data, and how this is changing the whole scenario. What are artists doing with that? That's the interesting thing. They're experimenting with that. They're traveling and surfing through the data, and they basically are putting their own experiences on the forefront. And they're actually in different ways trying to deal with this vast amount of information. In some cases, they're trying to peek into these surveillance systems, because big data is used in some cases just to surveil citizenship. Private citizens, corporations, there are different ages. It's a very complex tangle of matters. But the idea is that artists have some sort of they try to find cracks in this system, and they try to build stories or narratives or images to show, to peek into this very complex data machine.
Sure, so this piece is from a series which I'm premiering as a part of the Black Chamber exhibition. It's called Internet Landscapes, and the general idea is that I'm shooting these landscapes where the internet comes out of the water and meets the land. In this case, this is from a location in Sweden, and so the file is being streamed to the piece through this Ethernet cable here from the server. The server is located in the same location from where the video is shot. And so this idea of like activating the network, about viewing a video file that's passing through the network.
The drone shadows are a series of one-to-one representations of actual military drones. So these are unmanned aerial vehicles, and typically these things fly at like 50,000 feet up in the sky, so you can't see them, you don't know that they're there. And this invisibility is like the point of them. They exist not to be seen. They exist to not be seen physically, so you can't look up, you won't see them in the sky, but equally you won't see them politically. They're designed to be sent somewhere outside the law, outside democratic purviews. So by drawing them out on the street, we make them visible, both as kind of physical objects, but also as objects of incredible technological and political importance.